Wait, is the inside soles glowing? The shattered backboards are back, and it still got that nice tumbledness. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know it's been a minute, man, but it really ain't been nothing to cop, in my opinion. I really wasn't on. You see how Jordans are sitting. I mean, I love it. Buy what you like, not what's hype. But those was ones that I already had or I just didn't have no use for. So that's why y'all ain't seen me in a minute. But I still been copping. It's just been more of the streetwear. You see the Supreme Western Beef joint. I thought Western Beef was only a New York supermarket, but it must be in other cities, because for Supreme to do this was crazy. But this is the Supreme Western Beef tee. I've been copping Supreme crazy. But today we here to talk about the shattered backboards, man. So these shock dropped on the sneakers app last week or something, but I got my pair from INSOLES about 2 weeks ago. So maybe it's an early review. But I'm not sure, guys. I think overseas had a release date and they stuck to it. So if you were like lucky enough to know any like overseas websites, Naked, INSOLES, you were able to cop these. Actually, I think you can pause the video or wait till after the video and go to INSOLES and they might still have sizes. Again, I know we down on Jordan 1s, but shattered backboards is something you have to have in a collection. I done had 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. They did a matte black one I had, but the OGs is the OGs, man. So we're going to get into an in-depth 4K review on the shattered backboards before the official release date. Like again, I told y'all they did the shock drop, but that shock drop was way less pairs. It was to get the hype back, which they should have did. They did it right with the Jordan 5 reimagines, but they've been dropping the ball ever since. Real quick, if you don't know where this shattered backboard colorway come from, it was a pickup game, I think in Italy in 1985. Michael Jordan scored like 30 points. You know, it's Michael Jordan. But the iconic part is he did a slam dunk. It shattered the glass. That's why you get shattered backboard in this whole situation. And it's one of my favorite non-Chicago Bull Jordan 1 colorways. It's up there with the Royals, the Shadows, but I feel like this one got it beat. Because every time it drops since 2015 is an instant sellout. Later in the video, I tell you if I think it's going to sell out in 2025. But we've been doing too much talking. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. I like the box, guys. I like the box, man. Black box, shattered glass all over it. Super dope. Nike logo in that orange. I like it, man. If it didn't have the glass, you would think it was like a Halloween themed sneaker. But this is super dope, guys. All the way around the shattered backboard, man. So it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Remastered. That is the UK sticker. The regular sticker reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Black Sail Starfish. When you flip open the lid, you get your swoosh in there, the Nike logo, white tissue paper, and let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir, guys. Here's a 360 view of the right side of the Air Jordan 1 Remastered shattered backboard. You know I'm starting right there. Bam. The tumbleness. It's still there, guys. I don't know how only this Starfish pair get this treatment here. It's like Nike brand is well aware. When we compare tumbled leather we go to the shattered backboard. And it's there, guys. Just like 2015, it's there, man. But let's go to the toe box. Orange starfish toe box. Nice bounce back, guys. I don't really see too much of the reimagined look. It looks just like it looked when it dropped 10 years ago. But man, they extra tumbledness. Like even the orange on the back has a tumbledness. Looks like a basketball, in my opinion. Basketball leather. Maybe the orange is making me see that, but it's tumbledness all through this. I showed y'all the outside, even the inside has that tumbledness, guys. Crazy. Let's go to the top. You got your Jordan 1 Wings logo, of course. Very dope. Looks implanted in there. Come around. Tumbleness everywhere, guys. Everywhere, man. The sneaker's out of control with tumbleness. Your tongue, large Jordan 1 tongue that you always get. Nike Air in the white and the orange, or the starfish. This is a dope sneaker, man. If they was talking remastered, I felt like they could have like off-white, sail white, the bottom, making it look vintage since it's a remastered. That's the only thing I would have said I would have did different. You do get your Move to Zero box. No more sandwich bags. They say it's bad for the earth. Sometimes they still do it though. You get orange laces. I like the orange, maybe. I'm gonna try the orange, but you get orange laces in the Move to Zero box. The soles are super dope, guys. They kind of look like they glow in the dark. I don't know if it's the light playing tricks on me, but you get a basketball rim and shattered glass falling from it. Super dope. It does look like it's glowing, but I don't think it's glowing, guys. It does have like that, the netting does have that silver reflect look though. But I don't know if it's the light, but that's super dope. That was the right. Here's the left, guys. All orange or starfish at the bottom. OG style. Let me tell you about this black leather here. I seen better leather as far as the black. But man, with all this tumbleness on the white and the orange, I guess they could go cheap with the black. But the black leather is a little flimsy to me. But the toe box is incredible, man. Along with the tumbleness that we always know from the shattered backboards. Yes, sir. So like I told you, I got these from In Clothing. I entered the raffle. And when I entered the raffle, I kind of was like, I should just wait till they drop because I really think they're going to sit. Nike and Jordan's doing a great job with making a lot of pairs. I lost the raffle. But the next day, I was able to cop off In Clothing. It's weird like that. Sometimes on the sneakers app, I lose the draw, and then they hit the Nike website 5 minutes later, and I'm still able to cop. Like I told you, I don't care if these sit. I don't care if these going to sell. I don't care if they go to outlets. This pair is a secure pair. You have to secure this as soon as you can. It's just one of those ones, man. I really like this sneaker, man. I'm going to try to get some footage from that 1985 basketball game with Jordan when he broke the glass, because I don't know if it's true. I'm not saying it didn't happen. I just never seen pictures. Let me know how y'all feel about these. Another reason I didn't want to cop from In Clothing, you know you get hit with that tax with the overseas. So I believe retail now on Jordan 1s are $190. I think I paid $220 or $230. You know, the shipping from overseas and the tax and the duties. But again, man, I'm just happy I got these. I got more sneakers coming for y'all. I got the name is escaping me, but whatever SB Dunk came out in the last couple of days, I got that, the pink with the elephant print and all that. So that's coming soon. So turn your noties back on. Your boy is back. I'm your boy C Notes. Everybody, get rich.